What's up? It's your girl Queemie Jones with another copycat video for you. Cook good and look good. Now I know you probably like, girl, why are you trying to come for everybody? I'm not. It's only because Chick-fla is closed on Sundays that I had to do this, okay? This is the Copycat Chick-fla lemonade. And yes, it's in a pickle jar, but that's what I want to put it in, so.
Let's get into it. That's the way to it.
Go ahead and get 15 lemons wherever it's the cheapest and the prettiest. Fruit cleanser or white vinegar. Key thing about getting lemons, you need to look for blemishes. As long as they're not bad, they good. Tap water, that's it.
Can't tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing.
Tell you something. You gotta get your hookups where you can get your hookups. I got these lemons at H Smart. 5 for $2, so 5 times 3 is 15, but 2 times 3 is 6 buckos. Okay, so you can't even flex on this deal. I just need y'all to know that you gotta look for the prettiest lemons. Okay, blemishes are acceptable only if they're not rotting the fruit. So you're just gonna roll on these lemons and get all of that mustard up strength and bust that lemon juice. Smell my hand. You know I smell good. Yo, but you're trying to pop all the pulp in there so you can get as much juice as possible. Trust me, this is the greatest method you can use. If you do not have a juicer as I do, I just got to do what to do, baby, okay? I use Bucky in Kentucky, which is my left and right arm, and we just going to squeeze them until we can't squeeze them no more. Just squeeze it. Squeeze it some more. And don't stop until you can't squeeze it no more. Alright, cut all your lemons in half. It's very simple. The method is just cut them in half. That's all you gotta do. Now, like I said, I don't have a lemon juicer or citrus juicer, whatever juicer. I have my hands, and you gonna see what it's like being ambidextrous. I use my hands, okay? I was using them both handedly. And we're going to keep that going until we find out that I've lost the footage of, the sugar and water process. But I'm going to tell you the ingredients and how to do it anyway. What had happened was I needed a bigger pitcher. Okay, literally I had to get to the bigger pitcher. But what you're going to have to do is get yourself 4 cups of granulated sugar, 3 cups of lemon juice, 8 cups of that water, and mix it all together, and you got the best of both worlds. Alright, once you have that process done, you can pour yourself a glass. Get a bourgeois pitcher though, a big one from like Marshall's or something, like TJ Maxx Home Goods. Something that you can hold all of that party, all that juice, all that flavor. Okay, it's that Copycat Chick-fla like lemonade, y'all. Get into it.
I've been sipping on this for a while, and it's a sugar high, y'all. I am having a rush right now. I can't stop. I won't stop. It's only because Chick-fla is closed on Sunday, though. I've had 3 glasses. But, you ever pull up to Chick-fla and it's like closed? But you just wanted it so bad, you forgot.